Hello everyone. So in today's class we will be discussing the 5 laws of indices. So the first law is a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m plus n. A is the base and m is the power. So for example, if you have a number 5 raised to power 4 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2. So 5 would remain the same and then you would add up the powers. Therefore this would be equals to 5 raised to power 6, which is equals to 15,625. Now let's move on to law 2, which is a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m minus n. For example, if you have a number 2 raised to power 6 divided by 2 raised to power 3, then this means 2 raised to power 6 minus 3, which is equals to 2 raised to power 3, and then your answer would be 8. Now let's move on to law 3, which is bracket open a raised to power m bracket close raised to power n, which is equals to a raised to power m multiplied by n. Now for example, if you have a number 3 raised to power 2 bracket close raised to power 2 once again. This means 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2, and hence this is equals to 3 raised to power 4, which is equals to 81. Moving on to law 4, law 4 is equals to a raised to power n multiplied by b raised to power n is equals to a multiplied by b raised to power n. Now for example, what if you have these different numbers and the powers are the same? For example, 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2. So what you will do? Bracket 2 multiplied by 3, you will take power as the common, which is 2. So 6, because 2 3s are 6 raised to power 2, and your answer would be 36. Now let's move on to the fifth and final rule, law of indices, which is an divided by bn is equals to bracket a upon b raised to power n. Now for example, if you have different numbers, consider as 4 raised to power 2 divided by 5 raised to power 2. So what will you do? This means 4 upon 5 raised to power 2, and hence your answer would be 16 upon 25. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.